Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a little bit different than all of my other videos. Don't worry, budgeting and all those kind of videos will be back, but for the holiday season I decided to do this little holiday cookie hack, and there is no baking required. So it's super easy, and also the kids can get involved as well. If you guys do enjoy this video, make sure to throw a thumbs up down below. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new here, and I will link everything that I am using in the video in the description box below as well. So let's just get straight into the video. So what you're going to need are these little fudge mint cookies, some oatmeal cookies, and some rice rolls. So what I'm doing is I am going to make my icing for the cookies so everything can stick to it, and that is just with some powdered sugar and some almond milk. You can use any kind of liquid form just to get this going. You can use apple juice to have an apple icing, orange juice. You can even use liquor. Whatever you prefer. It does not have to be almond milk. So you want to mix that really well, and when it comes to making this, you want to use less liquid and more sugar because this is the consistency that you want it to turn out to, kind of like glue. So you don't want it to be runny, you want it to have like a tackiness to it. I also forgot to mention that everything that in this video is vegan, well, kind of like accidentally vegan, so it doesn't necessarily have the vegan label on it, but I did check the ingredients, so everything is vegan. So how to do this is you want to dip your cookies into the icing, and this is where you're going to want to decorate. I kind of let them sit for a little so they can get a little flat top, and then you can just start decorating. So I'm just going with the flow right here. This is like the first time I'm actually decorating cookies like this, so I just did whatever for the first round, and then I did get a little bit more creative, which I'll show you at the end of the video. But you can either put the icing on this way as well with the spoon. I was just showing you different ways to put the icing on if you don't feel comfortable dumping the cookie in the icing. And you can just create so many different little looks for your cookies. This is why I say get the kids involved, because I think they will have a great time doing this. Maybe make it like a dessert night. And the best thing about it is that you don't have to turn the oven on, so it's a really easy cleanup. So besides icing, you can also use frosting. Like you see those little sugar cookies with the frosting on them at Stop and Shop? Well, those are not vegan, of course. They have milk in them. So I decided to just add some frosting to these oatmeal cookies and just started decorating them. And I tried them and they really taste like the sugar cookies at Stop and Shop with the frosting on them. So it definitely revamped the oatmeal cookie. So I know it looks like I'm making a mess right now, but I'm making it a little bit easier for me to ice my rice cake. Well, it's technically not a rice cake, it's a rice roll, and these are delicious without the icing and with the icing. So I used to snack on these all the time in the summer. So what I'm doing is I'm covering half of it so you have a little bit of room to pick it up so it doesn't get all over your hands, and I'm just gonna roll it in the sprinkles. I ended up grabbing some of the sprinkles to put them on because I was having a little bit of a hard time, but it's a lot easier to do it this way than to just sprinkle it on. And then I added some frosting on the top part, and then I just grabbed the leftover sprinkles on the plate, so I'm not trying to waste anything. And here are my lovely creations that I made. I actually brought these into work the other day, and they were blown away on how these are Dollar Tree cookies, and I just decorated them, kind of give them a little makeover. So not only is this a cheap hack, but it's super fun. So that's why I say get the kids involved. I think they would really enjoy this activity. And also, you guys, if you make these with your kids or by yourself and you have an Instagram, send me your pictures if you decide to do this, because I would love to see what you guys created. I don't know if you guys can see below, but I tried to make a little mistletoe out of sprinkles, and I think it came out pretty good. But I really hope you guys have a happy holiday, and do not forget to throw a thumbs up if you like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe if you are new here, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!